Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video we're going to be doing a plan with me, of course, using this cute kit from beansproutpaperco. I can't remember off the top of my head what this kit is called, but I will leave it here on the screen for you guys, and if it's still available I will link it down below. But I just thought it was so cute, and you know, I'm a fur mom, so I just knew I had to get it, and I can't wait to finally use it in today's video. So this is what the kit looks like. I did buy, like, she offers you the option to buy like the cat version or the dog version for the extra. So I do have like duplicates of some things, and I'll probably just end up tossing those in my leftovers giveaway that I'll be doing soon. So here are the full boxes. This is a matte paper, in case you are wondering, which I think is really cute. Look at the little cat and the doggy is so cute. This is the runt kit, so I believe this is only what, 4 pages? Yes, 4 pages. So here are some glitter headers, some half boxes, some quarter rounded boxes, event labels. She has these like little scallop boxes, which I think are really cute, and some event labels here. Then you have like bill dues, birthday, some headers, habit tracker, sidebar, some heart checklist. I love these 2 little boxes. When I used her kit before, I really like those boxes. And then you have some circle icons and some scripts with some deco pieces on top. Well, not deco, but functional. What are those things called? Functional stickers, we'll say. The weekend banner. And then this is the, I think it's this way. You have like more cut washi. I think this is actually like a full box. Yeah, that's a full box here. Then you have your bottom washi and some flags. And then with the kit, you also got your days of the week, as far as some numbers and those stars. And then I think these are the 3 that came with the cat version. So you got the cat double box, which I'll probably use. You got another one of these, and then more glitter headers. So I'm going to be using silver foil this week with this kit. I'm really going to try to like deck it out in foil. So I'm going to do that part off camera because it may be a little tedious, but I'll be back soon to do my day by day. All right, guys, and here we are. I really, I mean, it was a little tedious, I'm not gonna lie, but it was kind of fun, you know, putting down the base for this week. What I did realize is I can't write on the paper because I put down those overlays to give the sparkles. I'm just like, So because I didn't have so many boxes, I had to, like, I guess, finagle with how I was using the different things in the kit in order to, you know, put down the plants. So I can see why a lot of people end up using scripts, especially if they are doing like this overlay look here. But before we get started, let me see. I did use like washi strips to mark down my work days, and each of those are from Letters to Apollo. I can't really see now. Open up my planner. I know after that, I think I did write down like how I was feeling about the shift, because the shifts have been killer, guys, like killer. So I wrote that down, and then I stopped by my mom's because her birthday was Friday, the Friday before. So I wanted to go see her because she had went out of town just to kind of get away from the house and stuff. And as you see here, at first I had put down that I had picked up my Happy Mail, which I had sent to the house. But then I was like, wait, I got to put down my Sadie stickers stickers. So I put those down. Later on that day, I did check my email, and that's why I got an email about the job that I applied for. So I was happy about that. And then we ended up ordering out for dinner, which is Landmark. Landmark is a restaurant in my area. For Tuesday morning, I was off, so I decided to weigh myself that morning, and I restarted the butt and gut challenge. You guys can find it on my Pinterest. I'll leave it down below, saved under my fitness board, so you guys can see it. But I restarted that on Tuesday, so I also wanted to get my weight. Then after that, I did my morning routine and ran a couple of errands. I had so many errands, so I couldn't even bother to put them down. Then I put down that Sadie sticker again, and then after my errands, I did do some filming for my hauls from like Thanksgiving, like Black Friday stuff. So I will put that down, and then of course you guys know we do Taco Tuesday. So I had to put that down. For Wednesday, I ended up going back and putting it because I meant to mark it, but Wednesday was our first snow, so I used a little like snow icon from Glam Planner to mark that. And then after that, I did put down a quarter box for a patient that I transferred to the ICU. After that, the rest of my day kind of like chilled out, which I was grateful for, because child. Then I put down my Sadie stickers. Sticker again. I'm not going to say that anymore because it's kind of redundant. I did mark down that it was trash day, but then I'm pulling that sticker up and replacing it later because I wanted to put down that my plan with me went live this day, and I will go ahead and link that up in the cards for you guys to watch, and then I'll be back for the second half. Alright, and then I went back to, I had to work Thursday originally too. Wednesday was a extra shift that I picked up. So here I'm putting down this like the bubble with the heart in it. Where did I get that from? I think that was off of a little sheet I had from Cozy Paper Co. But I wrote down that a patient had me crying, and literally to be honest, this week is probably one of the best weeks that I've had as far as patient assignments. Like it was really touching, and her and I really connected. And then I went back to work on Saturday too, and I ended up getting 2 of my patients that I had this week, and it was just great. And I was just emotional. I was crying a lot because that really the bond and the way that I helped her through stuff and helped him through stuff really just, it made me feel proud to be a nurse, So then after that, when I came home, I was talking with Babe. Been having things going on, and it pretty much really was just letting him vent because he needed to. He definitely needed to. That night, we've been watching a lot of movies from his childhood, and one of them was Dog Soldiers. If you guys almost sci-fi thriller type movies, I say that's a good one. It's I think it came out in late 90s, early 2000s when it came out, but I like that one. And then after that, I went to bed. Friday, even though normally Thursday is payday for me, I marked it down on Friday and I used my paying with the money. Yes. And then that Friday, I actually had an update phone call scheduled with the director for the position that I applied for. So I'm waiting for that. I can't wait. I ended up jumping to the bottom and putting down my half box with the name of the video. I don't know what was going on when I was trying to upload it. It was taking forever. So I ended up publishing it on Saturday. But I'll link it here in the cards in case you guys missed it. And then I went back and I actually cut off the header part for that 3-heart checklist box. It was like buy these, clean these. And I marked down a couple of things that I wanted to do on Friday, which I did one of. Again, like I said, Saturday I did go back to work. And then while I was at work, because I did have some downtime, I was like going through my emails, especially like my work emails, because I had so many of them. And I just showed you guys how I was like pulling up my sticker and it broke. But now looking at it like down, you can't even tell. Can't even tell. I used that sports bra from the Pretty Pink Co. to mark that I was doing my workout at home, which I ended up not doing. So I got to catch up. Actually, once I finish this, I will be playing catch up with my butt and gut challenge. I then took a shower and we pretty much just chilled all night. So it was like our, weekly date night in. I did have plans on Sunday to go grocery shopping. And that was null and void. Definitely not doing that. Plan on working on the dressing room, which is like the last room that I really need to kind of like declutter, organize, and clean. So I put down, I will be putting down I used part of the washi that I had left over. I cut it down and then I used a hanger from Crafts by Thaowie that, I'm going to write on there later, like what I actually did. But back at the top, I did put down one of the last like washi strips because I'm going to put in my new Invisalign. And then I took that planner from Papershire and the planner setup sticker from the station stickers. Eventually, I guess I will do that. And then the last thing was the Plan With Me full box with the YouTube play button from the Pretty Pink Co. So that's it for this week, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.